Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video to show you how to use the basic pattern maskings. These are found in the holiday catalog, and there's 4 different designs. These are 3 of the designs that I will not be using today, but the one I am going to be using is this tree. And so what I like to do when I'm doing these maskings is to use our embossing paste. And I find the best thing to do is for me to work on wax paper when I have a bigger piece. Now your silicone mats will work wonderful for this if you're just using a small piece. But this piece of Pool Party cardstock measures 4 1/8 by 8. Now I'm showing you the technique today, and on Tuesday if you come back I am going to use this in my creative fold. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this masking and we're going to put it down on my cardstock. Now I could tape it down. I don't usually do that. Now you'll see it is bigger than my masking, but that won't be a problem. I am using my shimmer white embossing paste, and I'm going to bring in my palette knife, and I'm going to kind of swish that around, and then I am going to lay it on that masking. Now like I said, I could tape this down, but I am just holding it with my hand, and you want to make sure that you fill in all your crevices of that masking, so that you don't have any bubbles. I'm just going to add that because then it'll leave a space. Let's see if I can get this nice and even for you. It does take a little bit of the paste. Now the thing is that you need to remember is that you need to wash off your masking and your tools as soon as you're done so that it doesn't dry on your tools. So I've got, you can pull some more down here, and then I'm simply going to pick up my masking and make sure that I've got that pretty even. I'm going to pick up my masking, and look how beautiful that is. Now it's going to take a little bit for it to dry, so I'm just going to now place this right here and add some more paste here. Like I said, I am going to take this piece of cardstock and I'm going to cut it apart once this dries. So that's why I wanted to show you the technique today, and then on Tuesday I will use it for my creative fold. So this is a piece of Pool Party, and it measures 4 1/8 inches by 8 inches. So I like doing the whole masking so that it can dry. I think that looks pretty good. Now working on the wax paper, it's off to the side, but it can go ahead and dry this way. I will take this and wash this off real quick so that it doesn't dry, and I hope that you come back on Tuesday and join me to see what I am going to create with this card piece. So thanks for joining me. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.